Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a very important problem from the topic circle. The question is, let two circles having radii R1 and R2 passing through vertex A of a triangle ABC. One of the circle touches the side BC at B and the other circle touches the side BC at C. If BC is equal to small a is equal to 5 and angle A is equal to 30 degree, what we need to find? We need to find the value of under root of R1 R2. Now I am going to give a very interesting approach how to solve this problem. Now, what are given here? It is given that two circles. Let C1 and C2 are the center of two circles. This is C1 and this is C2. And the circle touches the side BC of triangle at B. This is B and this is C. Now, what about angle? Angle C1 BC is equal to angle C2 CB. This is how much? This is equal to 90 degree because BC is tangent and C1 and C2 are the center of two circles. Now, what about angle C1 BA? This is same as angle C1 AB. This is how much? This angle is equal to B. So this is how much? This is 90 degree minus B and this is same as 90 degree minus B. Why the two angles are equal? Because this is R1 and this is also equal to R1. Because C1B is equal to C1A and this is equal to R1. Similarly, angle C2 CA is equal to angle C2 AC. This is how much? This is 90 degree minus C because this is R2. AC2 is R2 and this is again R2. AC2 is same as CC2. This is equal to R2. So what about angle C1AC2? Angle C1AC2 is how much? This angle is how much? This is 90 degree minus B plus this angle, middle angle, this is A. And this angle is 90 degree minus sum of these three angles. And what about 90 degree plus 90 degree? This is 180 degree. This is 180 degree minus B minus C plus A. And we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Simply replacing 180 degree to A plus B plus C plus A. So this is equal to 2A. And what is the value of A? Angle A is given 30 degree in question. So angle C1AC2, this is how much? 60 degree. Now let us join C1C2. So what is C1C2? C1C2 assuming C1C2 HD. Now in triangle C1AC2, apply cosine rule. Apply cosine rule, what we obtain? Cos angle C1AC2. This is how much? This is R1 square plus R2 square minus D square whole divided by twice R1 R2. Now putting the value of cos angle C1AC2. From here, this angle is angle C1AC2. This is 60 degree. So simply putting the value of this angle, what we obtain? So this is cos 60 degree R1 square plus R2 square minus D square by twice R1 R2. Now what is cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So putting value of cos 60 degree, what we find? We find D square as R1 square plus R2 square minus R1 R2. Now I am doing some construction. I am simply dropping a perpendicular C1M to CC2. Draw C1M perpendicular to CC2 here. Now what is the value of this length CC2? CC2 is equal to R2 and this length is equal to how much? R1. So what is the value of C2M? From figure it is C2M is equal to C2C minus MC. C2C is R2 minus R1 only. Now in triangle C1MC2, this is right angle triangle. What we obtain? We find this angle M is 90 degree and this length is equal to D. We simply apply Pythagoras theorem. This BC is given as 5 in question. What is given? This BC is 5. So this length is also equal to 5. C1 C2 square is equal to C1 M square plus C2 M square. This C1 C2 square, just apply Pythagoras theorem. So D square is equal to C1 M square is same as BC square. From here, this C1 M is same as BC because this is a rectangle. C1 M CB is a rectangle. B5 square. And what about C2 M? C2 M is equal to C2C minus MC. So this is R2 minus R1 square. Let us suppose this is our equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Just comparing equation 1 and 2, what we find, equating the value of D square here, what we find? We find R1 square plus R2 square minus R1 R2, this same as 5 square plus R2 minus R1 whole square. Now putting the value of R2 minus R1 square, what we obtain finally? We obtain this R1 square plus R2 square minus R1 R2 is equal to 25 plus R2 square plus R1 square minus twice R1 R2. So finally what we get? We get the value of this R1 R2. This R1 R1 square cancel out. R1 R2 is equal to 25. So what is under root of R1 R2? This is equal to 5. So hope you understand the solution and enjoy the video. Thank you and see you in next video.